Good morning, everybody, and welcome to our YouTube channel for ERP and mobile application videos. So, in this video, we will discuss two things. First, how to upload student documents in ERP, and second, how to keep track of all the allocated items. So, let's understand it by an example. Suppose a new student comes, we are taking his admission, and we collect his transfer certificate. So, we will store it physically somewhere in a file or something. We also want to store this TC online so that we can retrieve it when we need it. So we can do it in our ERP so that when we need it, it can easily be retrieved. Second point, suppose we get iCards printed for all our students and we distribute the iCards among them, and if we charge something for this iCards, then it will automatically be stored in mobile app in our ERP because fees will be generated. But some schools do not charge for iCard for the first time. Yes, if the student comes back and he wants iCard to be reissued, maybe because he has lost it, then the school charges. So in such cases, we will have to keep a record of all the distributed cards so that when a student approaches us later on, we can check whether this particular student was already assigned, allocated the iCard or not for the purpose of charging him. So let's see how we can work on these two things in our ERP. So let's start afresh. We log in and we are going to do the first point. Initially, we will go to student record and suppose this this student 605 has taken admission and we want to upload his document. So we'll press this I button. We'll come to this page. This is the admission form. We'll press the student documents and it's blank. It means that no document has still been uploaded for this particular student. So we'll press upload document type. This document type is also dynamic. I mean, here you can see only three kinds of documents. You can add as many as you require, and this is for testing purpose. So we simply write test and we press on this icon. So now pop-up will open and we can pick our file from here, any file. Let's pick yeah let's suppose this is the TC card that we want to upload. So we'll pick it, open and upload. So this transfer certificate has been uploaded for this particular student and now we can retrieve it when we need. We'll see how it can be retrieved later on. We'll again come to students record page, suppose, and we'll find the student by class wise or by typing his enrollment number or name. So anyways, so we'll press I button again. We'll press on student documents and yes, this has been stored and we can retrieve it when we need it. And now we come to the second point. Suppose for class standard, suppose third A, we are distributing iCards to the students of class third A. We'll search all the students And suppose these two students, uh, the name, because it's a demo application, so the name is like this: 263 Sinha and 266 Sinha. Suppose we provide them their iCards. So we'll select them, we'll press this assign item button, and it will open model, a window in which the documents are already showing. We can add as many documents here as we wish or as we require. Currently, there are three documents added. Suppose we are distributing iCard, so we'll select iCard and add items assigned successfully. Okay, now it's showing against their name. 263 Sinha and 266 Sinha have been allocated their iCards already. So when we take a printout of this record, or when we export it to Excel, still we can see the documents there, the allocated documents there. So this way we can keep track of all the allocated documents to our students. Thanks.